Hello guys, today we will go to Sasaram. Finally that day has come. We will meet our Nana ji, Nani ji. Nats, how are you feeling?
I feel
What's your
very
expression?
nice.
You feel very nice, okay. Okay, but now let's head towards Sasaram. Our car has come down, so let's go. The car. Guys, look at the blue bulls. Guys, we have reached Sasaram and this is our cousin Summer. Say hi. Guys, let's meet Laviz Bhajan once again.
Hi.
And this is Hazrat Mamu.
Hi.
Mamu, are you enjoying?
Yes.
Ayat got her new friend Summer. Are you enjoying her?
Yeah.
You?
Yes.
Abolian.
Assalamualaikum guys.
Yes,
I'm going for prayer.
Jump. इसका मारने वाला वीडियो.
Today we reached Sasaram and we are enjoying with our cousins. Bye. So guys, the next day we were heading towards the mountain and to see the waterfall, and I was sitting with my mamus. So guys, finally we have reached to the entry point of the mountain, and now from here our mountain will start. So friends, finally we have reached to the Majhar Kund, and you can see behind me the stunning view. Guys, see the stunning view. Oh my god. Guys, finally we have reached to the peak of the mountain, and you can see beautiful view. So guys, we just came and you can see such an old monument.
The other day,
Look at Ayat's mouth. She ate Nutella, and she's hiding it. So friends, today's plan is that we will visit the Sher Shah tomb. It's a tomb, so like I'll share all the details. So first, he was the greatest leader of India, and he made the new road, the Great Trunk Road. So friends, stay tuned. Friends, finally we have reached the Sher Shah tomb. So you can read everything about it. Tomb of Sher Shah Sasaram.
Suri, whose original name was Farid Khan, was the founder of the dynasty, and his son Hassan Shah.
Friends, scientist Ellington said if you haven't visited the Taj Mahal in Agra, you can visit the Sher Shah tomb in Sasaram, Bihar. Sunday and many people are coming. You can see it's a huge rush. This is the main door to enter. The counter is over there. There is one grave. There is one grave. Finally, we have reached. And we are entering. Friends, finally we are in the main path. And you can see both sides the lake are there. Feels so peaceful. Today is a very hot weather. The grave of Sher Shah Suri. There are many graves and it's echoing a lot. My God. Hello.
2 hours later.
So friends, finally we have come to the downtown restaurant and now we are waiting for our relatives, all the family, and we are here for a get together party. So guys, he is my Nana ji. So Nana ji, hi bol dijiye.
हम बहुत खुश हैं हम लोग आज बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं
So guys, you can meet my Nani. Nani, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? ठीक लग रहा है. अच्छा लग रहा है? हाँ. अच्छा. बहुत. So guys, meet my Mamu. How, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है. ठीक है. Hello.
Hi,
She's my mommy, and how are you feeling?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. And guys, he is again one of my mamu. Hi, bol dijiye. So friends, he is also one of my mamu. Hi, bol dijiye.
Yes, I am Sasaram from Bihar. I am feeling happy. So with my Aris.
Starting in vlogging.
Finally, today we enjoyed with our family in downtown restaurant, and now it's time to end the vlog. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.